Here are two formulas that you need to know. The first is the lower formula, which allows you to take text that is fully capitalized or upper and lowercase and transition it all to lowercase. So to do so, you're going to go in a cell, you're going to select equals, you're going to type in lower, open parentheses. I'm going to click on the cell that I am referencing that I want to change the capitalization of. Here it's A2. I'm going to close that parentheses and select enter on my keyboard. As you can see, it has transitioned that entire text string to lowercase. Now I can go to the bottom of this cell here where that square is, double click, and it's going to do that for all of the other rows in my data range. So now let's say we wanted to transition text to fully uppercase. To do so, I'm going to go here and I'm going to select equals and it's going to be upper. Open parentheses, select the cell that I want to transition to fully uppercase, close that parentheses, and just like we did before, press enter and there you have it. Again, I can go to the bottom of this cell here where that square appears, double click, and I now have all these cells transitioned back to uppercase. Make sure you go ahead and save this one for your future projects. And just like that, you too can tech.